Hello, my name's Dori O'Neill, and I'm an original map backer. And today I'm going to share with you a major reason why, if you're looking at MAP the first time, or even if you're an existing member of MAP, you should pay attention to this video. I'm going to talk to you today about an unused feature of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, and it's the reason that I became a Master Affiliate Profits original map backer, and that's double dipping. Most people are satisfied with earning one income, and right now there's slightly over 25,000 members in Master Affiliate Profits, but many of them don't know how to generate significant income with MAP. And I have been working now for 7 months since the launch of Master Affiliate Profits to the general public, perfecting a double dip income program. So you have the ability as a member of my team to learn how to generate revenue using the Master Affiliate Profits platform. But in addition to that, you deserve to double dip. You deserve to make 2 times the income from one lead. And it all starts with a double dip income program that attaches to your autoresponder. Above me are all the autoresponders: Active Campaign, MailChimp, SendChart, Aweber, Mailing Boss, Sendio, GetResponse, MailVio, and SendLane. What's significant about those is why they're there. They're there because when a lead enters in to your Master Affiliate Profits platform, it's automatically entered into your private autoresponder, which is what those autoresponders represent. I've created a turnkey system for you that will absolutely explode your income. You bring in a lead through MAP, and you will earn the potential of double income by sending out a specific done-for-you campaign that I've created for your built-in autoresponder. The double dip income opportunity is called Shoppy Shop. It is an innovative discount membership. I call it the Costco Sam's Club of online marketing, but it's designed for affiliates. It's designed for people that want to save money, and by saving money, significant money on everyday purchases, products from Amazon, travel, nutritional, health products, you have the opportunity to make money when you share an opportunity for everyday people to save money. And when they join that opportunity, many of them will become affiliates. And when they become affiliates, guess what they want to learn how to do? Market online. And at that moment, you take advantage of Master Affiliate Profits frictionless enrollment program. You enroll them into MAP. They gain access to $600 of how to market online training, and the rest is history. Check out shoppysuccess.com. Shoppy is spelled S-H-O-P-P-Y, the word success.com. You'll understand the concept. Join my Master Affiliate Profits team. And existing members, you can join my Shoppy Shop team by going to shoppysuccess.com. Check out the action. It's synergistic, it's energistic, and it's making my team, my Master Affiliate Profits team, money hand over fist right now. My name's Dori O'Neill, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Goodbye.